Oconee County Schools is proud to serve up excellence through our school nutrition program. COVID-19 has changed things in our cafeterias, but not the high quality of food that our students enjoy. From fresh fruit to the pride we take in increased home-cooked, from-scratch cooking, we love feeding our students healthy and delicious food. That being said, safety procedures have changed and include the following: increased hand washing, mask up Oconee, clear partitions at checkout, and cafeteria staff now plate food, so there's no self-service, which reduces touch points.
Our school nutrition staff love cooking and serving healthy and delicious breakfasts and lunches each day. We have increased our safety procedures while remaining committed to serving nutritious foods that our students enjoy eating. Please join us each day for breakfast and lunch.
One thing is abundantly clear: cafeteria staff love our students and see their jobs as a calling to feed children. And no matter what grade in kindergarten through 12th, the answer to students' favorite meal is the same.
Chicken tenders with waffles, or chicken tenders with biscuits are one of our popular ones.
Chicken and waffles, chicken and biscuits, yogurt packs, Dicto packs.
Check out our menus at oconeeschools.org/menus. We are here to serve.